Hi, I'm Policorne. I'm sure you have seen plenty of art TikTok videos on YouTube by now, but I wanted to try something different. And I want to do these challenges with my younger sister. They have completely opposite style than me. My style is more like a cottagecore, and they have more of a modern emo style. And actually, they're also an artist. And these are the weapons that we have chosen. And let the battle begin. So, for the first challenge, we chose to swap drawings every 7 minutes. We were inspired by TikTok from Duraya Tavas. I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. We realized that drawing for 7 minutes with crayons is too long for this challenge. In this short time you can already finish the whole drawing. So we decided to paint only for 5 minutes. But that was too long as well. But drawing with crayons, especially in nature, was a good idea actually. We didn't need water and we were able to paint with them much faster since we don't need to mix colors. Although I think it would be more fun to hide our drawings from each other and make surprise every time when we swap them. I think that's a really fun activity with your friends. You should definitely give it a try, and even if you think that you can draw, you should try it as well. And this is the result of the first challenge. But then we decided that we need another round. Only this time we tried to paint with watercolors and ink. And as you can see, the weather was not on our side and the storm was approaching. When we were painting, it started to rain, but we continued anyways. And from all of the drawings, I like the ink drawing the most. By the way, we left the second drawing on the grass, and in the end it was completely washed away by the rain. And as you can see, we hid the camera under the bag and continued to film in the rain. Then for the last challenge, we chose to draw a character and a face and fold one piece of paper to hide it from each other, and we also swapped drawings every 3 minutes. For this challenge we were inspired by birthday contests. We did this a lot when we were kids. And this is the result. I think these last drawings turned out quirky. But it started to rain intensively and we had to disappear. While I'm gone, please watch my previous videos. Thank you a lot. Bye bye and have a wonderful day as well.